thing guarantees sales. All these things I'm telling you guarantees sales. Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Okeke Chizoba, a teacher and an AIPRM. A teacher that loves to write because of money. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Do well to subscribe, hit on the notification bell for more information about my new videos. Then to my returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I am going to talk on something very important. Without wasting much of your time, let's go into details of what I have for you today. What I have for you today is what will guarantee your sales on Amazon KDP or any platform that you are selling your books. The topic is the 10 vital elements of book creation and marketing strategies that can guarantee you sales. All these things, I'm going to list it in order of its importance. So keep calm, listen to me. You are going to get value. Your time will not be you are not going to waste your time in this my channel. If you are still thinking on subscribing to my channel, you don't know what I have prepared for you people. I'm going to give you a lot that you are going to enjoy your journey on Amazon KDP. Yes, I have tried it and it worked. I learned and I'm giving you what I just learned. Try your possible best to keep calm and keep watching, because I am going to give you the best. So the first one you are going to know about is what I called a profitable keyword. What is a profitable keyword, or rather, what is a keyword? A keyword is a combination of words that people are searching for. Yes, for you to search on this video, for you to bump on, unless you got a notification, but for you to land on this video, you search on something, and that's how my video pumped on, or some video pumped on before you are now going to see my own. That's what keyword is all about. What people is going to search and your book is going to pop on. Then what is a profitable keyword? A profitable keyword is the one that has the higher volume of search. So when you are writing your book, you are going to make use of what I call a profitable keyword. In Amazon KDP, we have 3 different categories where you have the opportunity, or I would say rather 4 categories where you have the opportunity to put in your keywords. You have to choose a profitable keyword based on your title, that is the book title, your subtitle. Your book title is going to be what people are searching for. Your subtitle buttresses your title. Your subtitle, your back-end keyword. In Amazon KDP, we have a space for 7. We have 7 space for back-end keyword, where you are going to put in words or phrases that people are searching for. Then we have your book description. You can easily put your keywords there. So another element that I'm going to talk on is the book cover. To tell you the truth, when I learned Amazon KDP initially, I was taught that book cover does not even matter. You can just put it any color there, just make your title to be bold and all this and all that. But as time goes on, I learned that your book cover in Amazon KDP, the buyers, the customers, they judge book by its cover. They can just see something that is not even inside book. The interior is not even beautiful, but because of the beauty of that book cover, they are going to be attracted to it and buy that one. Then your own that has a very beautiful interior, but your book cover does not make sense, they were not going to buy it. So you see, in Amazon KDP, your book cover matters a lot. If you don't know how to design, you can go and pay for a designer to do that for you. So try your possible best to have a beautiful book cover. Then the third one is your cover page. Your cover page, that is your title page inside your book. Your title page inside your book is supposed to be attractive. Okay, I omitted something in book cover. In book cover, when you are making it to be beautiful, try your possible best to put an image in your book cover, a picture, a very beautiful picture that describes what your book is all about. If you go to Amazon KDP, you are going to see a lot of beautiful book cover. So talking about the cover page, the cover page is supposed to be very beautiful. For those of us that are making use of system, you can easily put your border in your book cover. Make it very attractive. From the boss that I learned from, oh God, he tried. So the element that I'm using the idea gotten from him, and I'm teaching you the same idea. So try your possible best to get it right. Your cover page is supposed to have a beautiful design and an image from it. You have a lot of platforms to get a free images that you can use in your book. The next one is proper book description. This one is very important. After everything, if you want to describe your book, try your possible best to make it sweet, make it beautiful. Add a little storytelling in your book description. Just a little storytelling there. Tell them how your book, as somebody, you will have a lot of AI that is doing all these things for us. Try your possible best to make. I learned from a good boss and I've been using this strategy and it is working for me. Try your possible best to use this strategy. You are going to be getting a lot of sales. The next one, which is the fifth one, is the table of contents. Create a table of content that will create a suspense. They will be like, what is she or he talking about in this book? You get? I believe that you are getting the gist. So wait, I still have more 5 to give out, so don't rush to finish up the video. The sixth one is your introduction. What is your introduction all about? What is your introduction entails? From my boss, I learned that you are going to use another storytelling to describe your book. You know, all books have an introduction part, unless some of us that are writing trends that doesn't even bother to put an introduction in their trends model. So, but in this one, we are talking about evergreening the trend model. Try all these elements, you are going to get a better result. So, your introduction is supposed to have a storytelling that is showing people that have read your book and their reviews, blah 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 blah. Those we have AI that is doing the job for us. So subscribe to my channel. I'm going to teach you all these things as time goes on. The next one, which is the 7th point, is for you to master the art of storytelling. Yes, the art of storytelling. For you to do this, you are going to input the storytelling in your book description and your introduction. Learn it. We have Chatgpt there for you. We have a lot of AI that is going to generate a good story for you. Just give the AI the right prompt. Is going to deliver. The 8th one, the proper book formatting. There are a lot of ways for you to format your book and it will make a lot of senses. Yes, I'm going to teach you all these things when I'm starting. You know, we are in holiday. I'm going to give you all my time this season. So be prepared for me. If you want to earn your first money in Amazon KDP, or you want to upgrade in Amazon KDP, try your possible best to hit on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. So the proper book formatting, you are going to make your book in a way that it will entice. It will be very beautiful in the eye of the customer. You are a creator. You don't need to be doing anyhow. Format your book. There are ways to do that and your book will not scatter. So the 9th one is for you to be unique. Be unique in your own way. There are a lot of ways for you to be unique. You can add bonuses on your book. Like, for example, people that are into health, fitness and dieting, you can give people, after giving them how to stay fit, after writing all the things, you can just go ahead and give them free 20 exercises that can enhance their health, or that can improve their health. Or if you are into devotional books writing, you can decide to add 40 days journey prayer in it. That's a bonus. You are going to specify it in your book cover. There is a bonus in your book. So you get is standing unique, being special, being creative. You can add bonuses. Then you can also create a way that for them to record their journey. For example, there's one book that I wrote. After the devotion, what's next? After the prayers, what's next? Then I gave out a journal that I created. I created the journal. The journal is all about for them to write a day. For a day 1, I gave them 40 days prayer. Then from day 1 to the 40th day, what were you able to achieve? If you are able if you are able to achieve your goals on the first day, you are going to mark it good that you did it. Then what did you achieve? There's a space for you to write what you achieved. Then after all this 40 days journey, I had a space that I gave them out for them to reflect again what they have learned so far and what they have achieved in their journey. So I did all these things and it's brought a lot of connection. Being unique, adding bonuses, then journals. Then another point there is for you to add links to your book. For example, if you have a lot of related books, so if you are into devotion or religious book, you can just add your links to, as maybe you write this one, you link it. If they want to check out this one, they can click on this link to buy it. And make sure that you are not taking them outside Amazon. I'm telling you, do not take your customers outside Amazon. If you take your customers, if your links are links of your YouTube channel or something that is not meaningful, you are going to get banned from Amazon. So I don't say link your books that are inside Amazon, the one that is inside Amazon, the one that you have created. If you have not created, after creating, you can link your book from Amazon to that one. Another way for you to be unique is by adding images on your books. There are a lot of free websites that you can get your images. I believe you have viewed my previous video on where I talked on how to get images for your books. So adding images inside your book will make you stand special, stand unique. The last one and the 10th point is the author central. The author central, that is like a website where Amazon KDP or Amazon created for the self-publishers, so that you can be able all your books under one niche, under one pen name, because you're going to use one pen name to create that author central. So the author central is like a website where Amazon people list out all your books. This thing guarantees sales. All these things I'm telling you guarantees sales.